So then we're going to take the 3-hole box that we provided you. We're going to take one of the knockout covers and put it in there. We're going to insert that, get it good and tight so that no water comes in. I've previously put anchors in here where if you see in the box, I've drilled those out. So this is going to bring your conductor through here and allow me to just easily apply this to the wall. And again, I've used the easy anchors to make it easier. You know, that goes in almost every surface except for masonry. If you're going to use it in a masonry application, you'll have to use a tap gun. So, Mark, you ever raise that? We'll apply that box here. Screw that on. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our Romex here, take our blade, just bring it right down the middle so you can separate it. Pull the sleeve out, cut the plastic jacket back, and again, like on the other side, we'll remove the paper shrouding. Now, if you see in this box here, they give you a grounding screw. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to back this screw out to the point that our ground wire will fit between that grounding screw and the little ledge they provided with you right there. So once you have that wire behind that ledge, you tighten the screw and it will ensure that it doesn't escape from the grounding of the box. So that way anything outdoors is protected. Like everything else I'm doing today, I'm having a hard time. I'm going to use a 6-in-1 instead. It'll turn these down a little easier. Once that's tight, you'll see that that will not come out. So, and what we're going to do is we're going to run our liquid tight connectors.